Hey guys, I'm back here, and today, we have some sad news. My mom, behind me, she doesn't want to be on camera. When she was outside of our apartment, she found a baby bird that fell. We called the SPCA. We called another part. They won't help it. It's injured, and we're going to see it. People at school. This just happened today, and today is Saturday.
And today is the weekend. Let's play through.
And be quiet. What should we name it? Right. Give a name suggestion. Comment down below what you think we should name it, because we still haven't got a name. I do. He's camouflage right there. He's still here. Yay. See him? That's our water dish. That's our towel. That's our box.
Do you have the worms with us?
Yeah. Want to feed him a bird?
Wait.
Want to feed him worms?
He's really aggressive now.
Yeah. You want to feed him worms?
Guys, you see him? He's right there. He's camouflaging. He's a baby bird. His back's injured. He's breathing creepily. Like he's breathing like this at me. Like he's gonna bite me. So yeah, I dug up this hole. Like if you see how deep it is, it's like that deep. With only this, but then this broke off of it because it was like that. And then it just, when I was digging, and then I just used this. And then look, that deep, and I only found a tiny squiggly worm. Like that thin. And the ones we bought, wait, let me show them to you guys.
It scared me.
The ones we bought, open it. That thin. Show them the case.
There's like a
Trout worms, 24.
I don't know when to touch
Put 'em on.
any.
So we got that, and got him water, and we're not harming it. We're just trying to take care of it. We're trying to help it out because my mom just found this on the ground. Right there.
Yeah,
Right here.
Okay.
Right in this spot right here.
Right there.
have they seen the birdie?
Yeah. Right there, guys. That tiny bird. Watch out, Steph. From there to here.
Probably fell out of a tree. Big tree.
If it fell down, I'd be like...
There's also
Yep.
some leaves on here that are actually soft.
If you see the difference, oh, they can see a big difference. If you feel this, you can like poke yourself. It won't poke, but then these ones real poke. So
Oh.
just stab myself. Take a little.
There's these weird things on them that I always take off so they can go.
Hey, birdie. So yeah, comment down below what we should name this bird. And if you see its head, he's limping. Oh, that brown spot on me is just from the worms. His back under it is really bad. It's red. So comment down below what we should name this guy. And I'm not really close to him. See how close I really am? There you go, guys.
Yeah, close.
So comment down below what you think we should name it. And we're calling it a boy. We don't really know. But comment down below a boy name and we'll pick one. We'll look down in the comments. And I know we don't have a lot of people watching, but people that do watch, comment down below. And Monday I'm coming to school. I'm talking about it. But no one can come see it because if they get touched, what happens if they get touched, Mom?
Mommy won't come get him.
Mom won't come get them because then it has all our DNA and it thinks
Our oils off their
our oils, like DNA thing, Oils, DNA, same thing.
No, it's different.
Same thing. And it has all of it on it, so it'll like, what it will be? It will be like smell different. And my mom carried it bare hand up the stairs, so now we just left it in that box. My mom's gonna feed it some worms. Go check this out.
Are you hungry?
Mommy, I'm vlogging this.
Are you hungry?
Okay, let me see if I
Has a
can do
worm
this.
under its foot too.
Yeah, I know.
Why isn't it eating?
Shh. There's a baby crying. We get a top view of this.
Look, he's eating it.
Oh, I dropped it. See? It's stuck on him. Oopsies.
Poor guy.
I'm not a good bird mom, am I? He's so hungry.
He's like so hungry. It's like flag over his face.
Oh, it just fell in the water.
Oh my god, that looks so weird.
Oopsies.
Wait, let me try to crush it with the rock.
Well, yeah.
Let's go. Pass me. Wait, let's go over here to do it.
One more worm. I'm a good bird mom, am I?
Steph, watch out. Okay, you good.
It's falling out of its mouth.
Close up right there. Okay, let's go. Come on. It's gonna snip. Okay, I got a rock. This is my good rock. Got my good rock here. This rock I used to dig there, and that's a big hole. Steph stepped right here, so I'm just gonna flatten it out. I just need to bury this. I haven't buried this. And this is like, what time did we come out here to do this?
We've been doing this since about noon.
Since noon, and it's almost my bedtime, and we're still taking care of it. The mom isn't gonna come anymore because we didn't know. Because after we were taking care of it, my mom called, and they said, if you've been touching it and feeding it, the mom won't come. And that's what we've been doing, so now the mom won't come, so now we have to actually take care of it more. As you know, birds poop. This is a wild baby bird, so it's been pooping, and it's in its thing.
Look at all the poop over there.
See all that poop? Most of that brown stuff is poop.
White stuff.
White stuff.
But the white stuff is poop?
Mm-hmm.
Ew, a worm just went in it. Okay, let's go crush some worms.
There you go. It's slimy. I can't pick it up with my fingers because it's wet.
It's still alive. Okay, let's go vlog.
I know worms are weird and creepy, just ew. I like worms because worms I ew.
Okay, ready, Steph?
Okay.
Flip this real quick, and I'll get ready to stab. Okay, go. Take it off.
Oh my gosh, it's splashing everywhere! Get it quick, make sure it doesn't squiggle away. Sorry, worm, but we need to feed someone a little cutie little birdie.
Get it?
How is this not dead?
Worms are creepy, see?
Here.
Everything but that part is dead. How are you moving? Your organs aren't attached. I don't even know if worms have organs. So I'm gonna try and smash it with this.
No, Steph, look. Move it around.
We're making some mashed worm today. This is how it's looking so far.
I can't sit on that ground. That hurts me. I'm going to keep him here for a second.
You brought him over.
He's over. Did you get the worm?
He's kind of breathing, but I think he's dead. Most of the part. Yeah, he's dead now. Look at all those crushes I had to do. So much. Okay, you're good. It only got your arm breaking up. Let's go see the section.
Like the
Now you're not going to open your mouth, are you? Come on.
And guys, we just found this out today, so we don't actually know how to feed them, how to do all this stuff. And he's too young to have bird seeds, so don't come and give him bird seeds because he's too young.
No. Oh. You okay?
His leg's broken. Look at that, guys. Told you. Is he okay?
You get it? Do you need help?
You hear him? He went. Ah.
his legs are long, or is that just his leg broken?
That's his mom.
Nope, that's a black sparrow. That blackbird right there is not the same as.
You know what? He might be a baby crow. I think that is his mom.
Yeah. Let me just, because we need Mom's phone.
I think that's
They're making music together, like nah 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 nah.
Come get him. We're not going to hurt you.
We're taking care of your baby for you. Wait, that was the same one that was there and there. It was right there when he was right there.
Could be the mom.
Oh, Mommy, help me. The mom. It's now over there somewhere. They're making music. Nah, 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 nah. Wait, what if the cats are making music to the birds and they're like at the window like scratch, 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 scratch. I want to eat you. I'd be like,
Coming down.
where is he? Oh, I fell in the. That's plants. He's way up there. He's way at the top.
Yep, he's just chirping.
He's falling asleep. Yep, that's his mom. Wait, it's in this tree.
She's waiting for us to move, so
No, that tree. Let's go.
let's put him back. Let's go far.
So, guys, I think we finally found the mom. What do you guys think? I left him right there. His mom's like, oh, it's up there.
No, it's over there. That way.
There's one right there. They all look exactly the same.
They do. They're the same type of birds.
How do you know they're not the whole family?
Because usually the mom comes looking for him.
Well, how do you know that one's just not coming to watch? like the dad coming to watch to make sure we're not harming the baby. Because, like, there's one right there, which I think is, like, the brother or sister. And then there's tons flying over us. Well, there was. I don't know where they went. Oh, this one.
I think if the mom saw us with her baby, she's now coming to get him.
How do you know that's not the brother? Well, there's one. Where'd it go? Okay, I'm coming. There's one in that tree. There's probably a couple in those trees. That one's treating. Oh, there's one in that tree. There's one up right there. Like, that one's probably the mom. Right there. And there's one treating for, like, somewhere over there. Like,
I still believe that
what's happening? Oh! I think that's the mom. That's the mom, I think. That's the mother, Lord. That's the father, Lord. There goes the father in the tree trying to help the brother. That's the mom. No, guys, we gotta go a little more this way.
You see the bird nearby?
He went in that tree. I don't see him.
We'll wait for another 5 minutes and then we gotta go inside. It's gonna start to get dark and we can't feed him in the dark.
Why not? We can't see if he's snipping.
Exactly. I can't put a flashlight on him, it's too bright.
We can put it like right down there, right down there if he's like right.
If I had a candle, I could do it with a candle.
Let's go get our candle. Whoa, one just flew in that tree. You're not in
I see a
mine.
bird down there. Do you? I think what happened is the mama bird.
Hmm?
Remember how we had the towel done a certain way? The mama bird came down and went to sniff him. So I think she must have found him, and then she's feeding him. And now that she sees us there, she won't come near him anymore.
Guys, the towel was
We were
actually
touching him. That's why we were feeding him. We were touching him. So I tried not to touch him with my fingers because I didn't want my oils on him. Because then his mom won't take him back.
Guys, I think we found the mom. But since we were feeding them and the mom saw it's not gonna come, we're gonna have to take care of it, teach it how to fly, teach it all that stuff. So there's flying, there's like walking, it's limping. Don't throw the stick, because then you're gonna scare the mama bird away. Yeet.
it sounds hollow.
Throw it that way.
Guys, I'm gonna go put water in his fish or his box. Okay, can you hold this for a second?
I'm coming a little close.
Oops, I didn't close that because I was trying to get away from
Steph, can you close this? She's having so much fun with this hollow sounding stick. Look, the father and the son.
Okay, I'm gonna go put some water in there.
Okay, I've got this close up all the way. The mama!
Oh, poor thing.
What?
Oh, the mom's close. If that's the mom, that she's close to that tree, so we just back up a bit.
They're a whole family, guys. One just flew in that tree. One just flew there. Oh. Wait, there's some in like those trees. Oh. Oh, poor bird. Get back, get back, get back. I think that's the mom and dad right in there. One right there. Guys, I think we found the mother lord of birds trying to keep us away from its baby. There's so much. They're hiding in the trees. They're over there.
On the ground. See them?
I think they think we're trying to hurt him.
Oh, they're going closer.
Get back, get back, get back. Don't scare him away.
Stay as still as you can. They're going toward the bird. Should we call him a little chirpy bird for now?
Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, okay? Because he chirps a lot. But comment down below a real, actual name you would name someone. That's a boy. Because that's what we're calling him for now. Gonna back.
Look how close that one is.
Did you see how close? There. They're like, you didn't ask my permission to vlog. There's a sniff sniff.
I think we did it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe. I wonder if she's going to feed him. She gets close to feed him and then like goes away until he's better.
Oh yeah, that's our car, by the way. It's been in the way the whole time. Sap. Smack. Oh, there's a bird close.
Oh, there's a bird right there. That's why I'm standing right here. I'm not moving.
Oh,
There's water ready
no.
for him and everything, but I'm not going until that bird. Bird's looking for food. Oh, it's her baby. It's her baby. She's looking for food. See her?
Guys, I think we finally found it. We gotta go through the front door.
Yep. But what are we going to do with the water?
And the dish and the towel. We'll wait
Well,
till
we can get the box and the towel later. I'm not too worried.
tomorrow.
Yeah. I think we're okay for tonight. I think the mom's got him and she's going to take care of him in that little mess that we made. When he's ready to fly. Oh, where did she go? Oh, she's there on the bench.
Whoa! Sorry to interrupt, but airplane. Okay, back on with the video. We gotta sit down. Right on this tiny ledge.
Wait for another 5 minutes and then we're going to go in.
This is so tiny. I want a bigger ledge. I wish I could sit on that. Here comes a bird. Do it. Do not sit on there. It's not comfy. Don't.
My hands are dirty. I've touched worms, so just be careful. If you've touched worms, you need to wash your hands.
I haven't touched worms yet. Hi, bird.
I'll see if when I come out back outside later, if it's not too dark, I'll check and see if it's okay or if she's okay. But I think Grace should be able to take care of it now. So we can just kind of not take care of it as much. Worst comes to worst, we'll just leave the worms on our bed.
I think we found the mama and the whole family got. So, if we did, thumbs up this video, and I'll maybe give you an update tomorrow on Sunday. I don't know, but let's keep going on with the vlog for a bit. Mommy doesn't want to get vlogged.
It didn't look like a dot. It was just kind of laying there, and when it opened
Boop,
its mouth, there was
boop.
no sound.
Well, now he can make.
Now he's making sounds, which is good. Because that's what I wanted him to do, is make sounds to call his mommy.
The first time I went, when you went to get worms, he was calling. So, I think it was after the first worm I gave him. There's birds crawling down from that tree. There's birds right there.
There's
So,
only a bird beside, see?
I know. Nope, not anymore.
At least they found him.
Guys, I don't think we're going to touch this today at all, just because, like, you know. the bird found its family, and if the family, or the mother, I think, if the mother finds us feeding it like we were, then she's gonna be like, I don't care, let me go on to another, like, son or something like that. And so, yeah, we're stopping. Look, the final
So we're going to the front door because I don't want to disturb
front
the
door
birds.
because we don't want to disturb their mother and family time. The family is what bring the bird back together. The first time I came out here, that sparrow was there watching me dig, and she went close to the bird and just flew away.
Oh, I wish I would have known that. Does someone have an extra hand? They can go into my pocket and grab my keys because I can't. You know where they are, right? Yeah. Okay. So you'll have to open the door, okay?
So guys, I'm gonna end it here. Peace. I gotta. Peace.